One thing in your industry or profession that the general public would be shocked to know.
That anybody can say they have a credit repair company. It's as simple as just getting a business license and getting bonded in your respective state, and then all of a sudden you have a credit repair company. And unfortunately, what that means is you have people all over. There's 47,000 credit repair companies in the United States. And without any requirements on any sort of education or training, you have a lot of misinformation that's spread all across the internet, and especially here on TikTok. And it's something that we see every day. Some of the misinformation includes, once a collection company buys your debt, you no longer owe that debt. Another piece of misinformation includes, you don't owe a charge-off after 180 days. More information includes, false information includes, you should just file a fraud report on all of your negative debt and it'll be removed. Filing a fraud report is, when it's not fraud, is illegal. There's a lot of illegal tactics that are used out there, and just a lot of general falsities that are spread about the credit repair process, making it, unfortunately, a really scammy industry, and unfortunately makes it so a lot of consumers are taken advantage of. So there's really more of a PSA to make sure you're doing your due diligence when you intend on working with a credit repair company. Now, I do believe in credit repair. I own a credit repair company. I just hope that this industry can begin to hold itself to a higher standard, so that way we can continue to exist. Because if we continue to go down this bad path of this bad image or this taking advantage of consumers, we're not going to exist anymore. So if you're another credit repair company, I urge you to hold your fellow credit repair company owners to a higher standard, and do your best to continue to educate yourself on the laws, the regulations, and to do right by your clients.